our theme is student life. I've designed some workshops to help you develop the skills that I think would be really helpful for you in EAP. On Monday, we'll work on acquiring new words. The more words you master, the easier it is for you to understand what you listen to and to express your ideas in writing. On Tuesday, we're going to work on asking questions and getting the answers you need. On Wednesday, I'll give you some tips on how to be successful in EAP in terms of reading and writing. On Thursday in Conversation Club, we'll talk about your life, the life of a student. Since this is the start of a new year and a new term, I have some tips for you to start the term off right. Now, the first is get enough sleep. Some of you are coming to school very tired, staying up all night, talking to friends or playing video games. You need to be well rested so you can pay attention in your classes. Tip number 2, join as many SEC activities as you can. It's a great chance for you to meet students from all the classes and to develop your language skills in maybe a different way than you do in your regular class. Number 3, practice your writing early in the term so that you will be ready for your final exam. Every week, I will provide writing prompts on the SEC website, so you can write a little bit, share it with me, and I'll give you feedback. I hope you have a great term.
Our ELS Kahoot Cup starts this Wednesday, and the topic will be about U of A, and we will play the Kahoot Cup in this ACC space during the break. Remember to win the cup for your teacher. Yay!
This Friday, we are going to Kingsman Park to play sledding. This is a very fun and classic winter activity in Canada. Please make sure you wear snow pants and winter boots to stay warm and dry. I will send out the email on Tuesday, and remember to sign up.
And this was Simon Said.